Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SimpliSafe and connect to Z-Wave devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in SimpliSafe.com and press enter. Wait for the SimpliSafe homepage to load. Locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. A new window will pop up prompting you for your credentials. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Devices section in the menu. Click on Devices to view your existing devices. To add a Z-Wave device, find the Add Device option. Select the Z-Wave devices category from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Z-Wave device in pairing mode. Make sure your Z-Wave device is powered on and within range. Return to the SimpliSafe interface. Click on the Connect button to initiate the pairing process. Wait for your SimpliSafe system to recognize the Z-Wave device. Once detected, you will see a confirmation message. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. Your Z-Wave device should now be connected to your SimpliSafe account. You can manage and customize your connected devices from the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.